Hey people, in this video I just wanted to give you a short update what I'm doing at the moment and what's up with new videos on this channel. Before I tell you what is up with this room, I want to tell you about the most current thing that is happening. On the 26th of October, the Patreon workshop is taking place. If you haven't heard about it, patreon.com/Andi Rohde is a website where you can support me with small monthly donations and you get something back in return, like small gifts, or you can get a place on the guest list. And once a year, you can participate in a big workshop, a whole day workshop for free if you're a member of the level Silver or above. And this year we're going to talk about improvisation, how you can specifically learn and practice to play freely on any instrument and on any level. We did this in 2021. And it was a huge success, and we're gonna repeat that in this beautiful location near Hamburg, Germany. If you don't come from Germany, just let me know if you want to participate and I can help you make it happen. The workshops usually take place in German, but if there are people from outside Germany or that don't speak German, then we will switch to English. Patreon is still the best way to support my work on YouTube. I don't earn any money from the videos themselves. I need donations, so this is where you come in. If everyone pitches in a little bit, I can keep up with this. And there's another update, another way to support me, by the way. I got my own merch, like this one. I wanted to do this for a long time, and now I took the time to make some designs, and more are coming soon. Just check the link in the description, and maybe there's something for you. The shop should work, the shipping should work worldwide. If not, let me know and we'll sort this out. Also, my homepage is getting a facelift. My website is, not up to date. And I want to change that, and that also I'm doing all by myself, which is why it's taking some time. Speaking of taking time, you notice probably that there are not so many videos coming at the moment. The reason is very simple. Before the pandemic, I played about 30 to 40 shows a year, and now it's more like 50 to 60. And that's great because this is my main job. This is how I earn my money if I get some gigs and tours. And during the pandemic, I was posting regularly, almost weekly. And of course, I cannot keep this up in the same way right now, because I want to make more videos, but I want to make better videos for you. I want to work in a most sustainable and healthy way, which is also, coincidentally, the topic of the next video. It will be about how to effectively and healthily practice and work in the long term. So I'm working on this video for years now, actually, on the side, and very specifically, concretely for a few months, and it's gonna be great. So just a few more weeks and it will be out. I'm very excited about it. For this, I also bought a whole new software to edit, and I'm taking a course to learn this new software. So there's a lot happening, and I do it all by myself. And maybe you also noticed the change of location. In every video there was a different background. The reason is very simple. We moved together, and at our new place I couldn't find a rehearsal room. I tried everything, and I went door to door even, but I didn't find anything for 1.5 years. So I had to shoot a few videos in our hallway, a few videos I did in our office. And my YouTube shorts are mostly shot in this basement, which I have rented from a very nice woman who lives in a village next to ours. And I use this as a makeshift studio rehearsal room. And I teach lessons here, and this is also where I keep all my gear for the time being. But now, after actually 1.5 years, I found the perfect space. And this is right now being built into my own creative studio. This will be my rehearsal room. This will be where I teach, and of course where I shoot my videos. But as you can see, there's still a long way to go. There's a lot of time and money invested already in this, and still has to be invested in here. And let me know if you want to see a video about this, about the whole process, from the conceptualization, from the idea to the soundproofing and lighting and everything. If you want to see like time lapses and before and after videos of that, I can make a video about it. Just let me know in the comments. So there's a lot happening at once, but it's all going in a great direction, and I want you to be a part of it. And I want to keep this up on YouTube because I love making these videos, but I want to do it in a healthy and sustainable way. But I promise you there are new videos on the way. See you on the next one. See you at the Patreon workshop, and bye bye.